We're told that D is equal to U squared over 2A, where U is 26.2, correct to 3 significant figures, and A is 4.3, correct to 2 significant figures. Part A, calculate the upper bound for the value of D. So, upper bound for D, so D upper is going to be the upper value for U squared divided by 2 times the lower value for A. In order for the upper bound, I want to do the biggest number that U can be divided by the smallest number that A can be. So the question then is, what is the upper bound of U and the lower bound of A? U, we're told, is 26.2, correct to 3 significant figures. So the level above that is 26.3, the level below that is 26.1. Which means the lower bound is 26.15, the upper bound is 26.25. Which is what I want to use here. So 26.25 squared. Right, now we want the lower bound for A. Now A is 4.3 to two significant figures. So the level above that is 4.4. The level below that is 4.2. So the lower bound is 4.25, the upper bound is 4.35. So we want the 4.25. Substituting that into your calculator and I get 81.0661. We're going to 6 significant figures here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number after the 1 is a 7, so I'm just going to round that up. And there we go, 81.0662. That's my upper bound. We're then told that the lower bound for the value of D is 78.6003, correct to 6 significant figures. By considering bounds, so by looking at both of these values, write down the value of D to a suitable degree of accuracy and give a reason for your answer. So I'm looking at both of these numbers and I'm saying, what are they both going to round to give? To 1 significant figure, this would round to be 80. And also this would round to be 80 as well, to 1 significant figure. So I could say they are 80 to 1 significant figure. Could I be any more accurate than that? Well, to 2 significant figures, this would be 81, and this would be 79. So no, I can't be any more accurate than that. All I can say is that D equals 80 to 2 significant figures. And now I need to give a reason, because both bounds round to 80. That's the 1 significant figure. Apologies, that should be a 1. We've only rounded to 1 significant figure here, not 2. We couldn't round to 2 significant figures because they would have given us different answers. We'd have had the 81 and the 79 instead. So D is 80 because the upper bound and the lower bound both round to 80 to 1 significant figure.